Hello everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. For today's video, we are going to tackle about the homeroom guidance of Grade 3, for Quarter 4, Module 14, entitled, The Troubleshooter. Introductory message. For the learner, this module is designed for learners like you to help you learn about the steps to fulfill your goal in life and implement these steps toward the realization of your chosen profession and vocation. This module consists of 6 interactive activities for you to follow, namely, Let's Try This, which will help you get ready to learn, Let's Explore This, which will guide you towards what you need to learn, Keep in Mind, which will give you the lessons that you need to learn and understand, You Can Do It, which will help you apply the lessons learned in daily activities, What I Have Learned, which will test and evaluate your learning, and Share Your Thoughts and Feelings, which will help you express your thoughts, opinions, and feelings. Make sure to read, think, follow, and enjoy every task that you are asked to do. Have fun, stay safe and healthy. Learning objectives. After going through this module, you are expected to 1. Identify challenges encountered as a student while preparing for the future. 2. Share personal experiences on how to overcome challenges as a student. And 3. Determine ways on how to better understand the preferred future profession. Introduction. In school and at home, you may encounter a lot of problems. Some of them may come as surprise, and some may be caused by another person. Even though you can't avoid these things from happening, you can always think of many ways on how you can deal with them properly. For your first activity, which is the Let's Try This activity, you are going to do 1. List at least 3 problems that you have faced as a student and identify what solutions you have tried to solve them. 2. Write your answers on a piece of paper. And 3. Share what you have written to your parent/guardian. After doing the first activity, you may now answer this 3 processing questions. Direction. Answer the following questions on a piece of paper. Number 1. After doing the activity, what have you discovered about yourself? And 2. Have you noticed that you have your own way of dealing with your own problems? For your Let's Explore This activity, you are going to read the following story. While on recess, Fabio took the chance to study for their test. As he read his notes seriously, his classmate, Greg, suddenly took his notebook and throws it in the trash can. Fabio cried and hit Greg in the face. Instead of stopping them from fighting, their classmates also started cheering until their advisor arrived. After reading the story, you are now going to answer this follow-up processing questions. Direction. On a sheet of paper, answer the following questions. Number 1. What is the problem in the story? 2. How did Fabio react to the situation? Do you think it is the proper way to deal the issue? And 3. If you were in Fabio's situation, how will you deal with the problem? Now you must keep this in mind. Don't make your problems defeat you. Always put in mind that there are many ways on how you can deal with them. Don't act right away unless you know what the actual problem is all about. Once you have identified the problem, that's the time you think of ways on how you can deal with it. However, if you think the problem is beyond your capacity to deal with, it is fine to ask for help. In the same manner, if you are thinking about your dream job, the adults around you, especially your parents, can explain more about it. For your You Can Do It activity, on a piece of paper, you are going to write numbers 1 to 6. Put a check beside the number if the statement suggests ways of dealing problems properly, then put X if not. 1. Get angry over an unfinished assignment. 2. Meet with your teacher to talk about the issue. 3. Avoiding problems by not going to school. 4. Asking help from parent. 5. Create choices to solve the problem. And 6. Not saying sorry to the person you've hurt. To test what you have learned in this module, you are going to do the What I Have Learned activity. You may answer the following question and write your answer on a clean sheet of paper. Number 1. What is your dream job? Think of 3 ways on how you can obtain information about your future job. Lastly, you are now going to share your thoughts and feelings. On a piece of paper, write a thank you letter for yourself for dealing well with problems. You may use at least 5 sentences in making your letter.